Several years ago, I inadvertently ended up at a Tony Robbins session. I was at an event where there were a range of speakers and Tony spoke for a little while. Now, there are a number of things that I've learned about Tony Robbins over the years. Like him or not, one of the things that he did say that made a lot of sense to me was the fact that we're only as good as the questions we ask ourselves. He talked about something called quality questions. If you want to get better answers to problems that you have in business and in life, the best thing you can do is change the questions that you ask. If you're not getting the answers you want or the help that you need, try asking a better quality of question.